Hello, we are Open Ocean Health. Effective health plan administration should promote wellness and health, not sick care. Your health care expenses plus your sick care expenses equals your total care expenses. And your total care expenses plus health plan administration equals your health insurance premium. Health plan administration can lower health insurance premiums by focusing on proactive, preventative health care, or more accurately, preemptive health care. This focus can reduce much of sick care or reaction to avoidable disease and injury, and thereby lower the total cost of care, while at the same time giving patients the ability to choose their own doctors.
With consumer-driven healthcare, it becomes natural to expect better quality at a lower price, following the principles of Economics 101. Open Ocean Health figured out solutions to problems created by legacy carriers. These solutions have been endorsed by doctors and new legislation created in the last decade to produce more fairness and parity in healthcare dollars spent by American workers. And these solutions are designed to produce value-based and outcome-based healthcare in a way that reflects responsible use of hard-earned worker dollars. This is our story, and our track record of re-engineering healthcare over the last decade led to the proprietary math that proves our solutions work.
For the past 5 years, we have successfully piloted innovative solutions. We are not a startup. As Theodore Roosevelt said, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. We know how much people care about health, and when you get to know us, you'll know how much we care about you, your family, and your health and well-being. Open Ocean Health, better healthcare for the 21st century. Thank you for watching our video.